Hey there guys, Artistic Nick, thanks for the click. In today's drawing I'm going to be drawing Batman. I found a few images online and kind of came up with a composition of my own, adding a background into this. I really like the colours. There's a couple of yellows added onto the picture and a few other colours sort of dotted around. So as always I went over this. I drew this out with pencil to start with, so I freehanded all of this in, and then I used my Faber-Castell fine line marker to do the outlines. In the darkest areas I did a little bit of cross hatching, which you can see now, which is just laying down a series of lines which go against each other, so sort of diagonal lines going against each other, just so that I had an idea of where the darkest areas were. On this picture of Batman there's an awful lot of black. The main colours that I used for Batman were Cool Grey 7, 5 and 3, which you can see me laying down now, and I also used a black as well, and these were all Copic markers. The Copic markers allow you to blend and go over the top of different colours without the smeary look and the streaky look. Really enjoying using the Copic markers. This video, the total drawing in fact took me about 4.5 hours, so this was quite a long drawing, particularly the background, but I do think that it added something to the drawing. I also used a Uniball Signo Broad white pen to add in some white highlights towards the end, and it's actually a wintry scene, a snowy scene, so you'll see that Batman's standing on top of a ledge with some snow on it, and I actually added some snow in the foreground, which I just again think it added something. It just gave another layer of depth. Obviously we've got Batman in the foreground, but then we had some snow over the front of that, and then we've got the buildings in the background. The yellow that I used for Batman's belt and his bat sign on his chest was called Acid Yellow. I thought this stood out really well against the black and the greys. So I was pretty pleased with how that turned out. I'm really happy with how the drawing went. It's one of my best ones that I've done so far. I've been doing an awful lot of anime recently and a few more Pokemon using the Copic markers, and they're going really well. I've been doing a lot of requests, so thank you so much if you sent in a request. Don't forget to keep them coming. I'm doing requests as often as I can, so I'm trying to get as much of those drawn during the week. I'm currently doing weekly, daily drawings, so each week I'm trying to do 7 different drawings, whether they consist of purely requests or not. I'm enjoying doing them. It's quite a difficult time constraint on me, but I'm getting a few videos loaded up on my days off, so hopefully you'll stick around for those. If you've subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for doing that. It means an awful lot to me. Every like, share, comment does go towards building the reputation of my channel, and I'm really enjoying YouTubing at the moment, so I'm hoping by the end of the year to get up to 3,000 subscribers. I'm almost at 2,000, so it would really help me if you can sort of share, push this out. It would mean an awful lot to me. So I'm adding the background now. I just added some different variety of buildings in there, just to add something towards a background, making sure that, you know, Batman stood out in front of that. And I actually went over with a petrol blue in the end. This was a Winsor & Newton pen. But we're near the end of this now. You're just going to see a picture of the final drawing in a second. So I just wanted to thank you all once more for subscribing to the channel and watching my videos. I hope you're enjoying them. Let me know if there's anything you'd like me to do in the future. If you've not subscribed, maybe consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the notifications icon, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and I'll leave you with the picture of the final Batman standing over Gotham City. And as you can see, I've added the snow in the foreground there, and that's the colours that I've used for the drawing. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Have a great day. Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.